I don't know. Shut up.
Wait, no. I'm guessing this is her laugh night.
No, you don't know her laughing.
I haven't even hit it yet.
Oh,
Yeah, you'll know it when it comes.
wait, no, let me do it.
Shut up. It's not that funny.
She's just doing that for the camera. Camera slut. Just kidding.
Kissing don't make it better.
Feed it an apple. Feed it an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
You can say that about anything. You can be like, 4 drugs a day keeps the doctor away.
Keeps the doctor
And I laugh at the stupidest
4
stuff.
drugs a day keeps your life away.
Oh. How dare you put that tongue in me in that tone of
No, it's
tongue.
like you're having like a bag down like a robot.
Like game.
Max!
Who's Max?
It's this girl. It's this thing off
It's this girl.
Life with Derek. Yeah, this is what we do.
Reagan.
Nice to meet you.
Reagan, okay, you're seriously like not gonna be able to laugh like that out loud.
This is the
Tentacles. Tyler said I laugh too much.
Tyler is gay.
Cool.
Nice, Catherine. You're a man.
Oh, yay!
Oh my god, are you serious?
Catherine, I never knew. Just today, I was saying something. Oh yeah, Marcus.
Andre sees
No, today I was saying something.
Wait, okay.
You want to go out?
You got to do your Max thing. I get to do my seat thing. What if she took me? Sure. Whoa!
No, okay. Today, here, someone else hold this. I'm sick of it. Okay. Today, Marcus is like, okay. He's like, he's like, I'm going out with Tyler now. I was like, you're Catherine? And he's like, yeah, I'm a girl. And Hunter goes, Marcus, I never knew. So it's like, you want to trade with me? Yeah, sure. Wow!
Oh wow, that's very interesting.
Hey, Catherine, you want to make out?
Ew! You want to make out with her?
Well.